Hey, what's up, YouTube? So, I got a couple of accessories for my motorcycle to mount my phone. So, I got it from Cord Lock. So, these are the accessories I got. So, I got the motorcycle handlebar mount, and this is like a universal adapter that will go behind my phone case. So, basically, I'll be able to stick this on my case and I'll be able to adapt, I'll be able to mount it directly. And I believe this is like a locking lever or something, and this is like a mobile USB charger. I'll be able to connect this to the battery terminals and will be able to charge while I mount the phone on the cord lock. And this is like a lightning USB cable. I'm using an Android phone, so I don't really need it, but I'll just keep it. All right, first thing I will unbox this the motorcycle handlebar mount and check it out. So here we go. I just opened the box and this is what you get in the box. So this is like instruction manual. It's it. And I got some stickers. So some cord lock stickers. Okay, nice. And this is what you get. So this is basically the mount. So this will go on the car, on the motorcycle, and basically this will go on the handle. So I have a round handle, so I'll have to just unbolt this and mount it. And these are the adapters, I believe. So let me check it out. Hey guys, so basically I just mounted this right here. So I have the mount on my phone and I'll be able to just mount it. Nice. So I just mounted the phone mount on my bike, and this is how it will look. So basically I'm just using Google Maps, and it just looks nice. And to take it off, I'll just push it right here and twist it, and it comes up. So super easy and looks really nice. Let's check out the motorcycle USB charger from Cordlock. So this is basically key features are fast charging and surge protection and IP66 rated. So I guess it is fine even if I get some light rain or something. Yeah, okay, awesome. So I'll be able to just, and I just came to know that this is designed in Australia. So I thought it's a US based company, but yeah, it's pretty cool. And yep, twist it, lock it, and ride. Okay, that's cool. Let's unbox it. So basically, this is what you get in the USB charger from Cordlock. So basically, these two ends, it will go to the battery terminal, and this will be the Cordlock base. So this is where you will connect your the cord locking system, the phone mount, and you'll be able to connect it through that, and just mount it over here.